weeks to set up at least 300-bed capacity isolation centers, Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe has urged the county bosses to take advantage of the 2 weeks period given by President Uhuru Kenyatta. This even as the country recorded the highest new number of COVID-19 cases in a single day. Andrin Kilemi begins our broadcast tonight.
In his daily address on coronavirus in the country, Health Cabinet Secretary Mutahi Kagwe has urged the county governments to take advantage of the 2-week period given by President Uhuru Kenyatta and accelerate the achievement of their planned activities. In his speech on Saturday, President Uhuru Kenyatta directed all counties to have at least 300-bed isolation centers in preparation to deal with the surging numbers of COVID-19 in the country.
That the 47 county emergency response committees are to meet very urgently. As you know, they are chaired by the governors and the county commissioners. We urge them to take advantage of a 2-week period. Within the next 2 weeks, we accelerate and ensure that the directive of the minimum 300 beds is achieved.
The president, in his 8th address on the coronavirus pandemic, lamented that most of the counties in the country lack capacity with very few isolation centers.
Ilitoka hapa Nairobi ikaenda mpaka Siaya. Hiyo case moja imesababisha watu wengine 8 wapate ugonjwa. County ya Siaya wako na vitanda ya isolation 10 peke yake. Sasa jameni, tukifungua hivyo wengine wanataka tufanye ugonjwa uendelee kuzidi Migori na Siaya na hawana vitanda vya kutosha.
At least 36 counties have so far recorded cases of the virus. This comes even as the government warned that bars and establishments serving alcohol against the government regulations on curbing the spread of COVID-19 risk having their licenses revoked permanently.
And selling alcohol are on the increase, particularly in some estates in Nairobi, in Westlands, in the Kilimani area. We have taken note. And I would like to propose to the owners of those places to quickly, very quickly, follow the directives that we have given.
Meanwhile, the government has said it will adhere to the WHO guidelines on home-based care a few days after the Ministry of Health announced plans on starting the process.
One criteria is that you must have a COVID positive report from the laboratory. Number 2, you must be asymptomatic or you have a very mild form of the disease based on the triaging by the doctors and the clinicians. Number 3 is that you must have no coexisting comorbidity like high blood pressure, diabetes, chronic chest problem.
Andrin Kilemi reporting for TV47.